Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you a new product called hydrophobic polyurethane gluting material. Here we will have 40 grams of this material. And then we will mix it with 1.6 grams of water. Okay. So we will mix them. And now we will start stirring. The time that we anticipate for the reaction is about 3 minutes. All right, now we can see the reaction has begun and it has a large expansion rate. So it will grow like this. So we should wait around 3 minutes. We can see the reaction, it's expanding. All right, now we have to wait around 1 hour, and after 1 hour we can see that we will have this shape which has low viscosity, high strength. It's very tough, as you can see. It also is very dense and it has good hydrophobicity. It quickly blocks the concrete cracks. It quickly blocks the damages and the leakages of the cracks. It's a single component grouting material. It can be easy construct, also can be easy cleaned. So for the application of this product, we can say it can be used for the leakage relief and repair of the concrete cracks in the building foundations. Also, it can be used as an emergency leakage repairs in places like subways, like tunnels, harbors, and garages, dams, and also for the civil air defenses. If you need any more information about this material and about this product, please contact us.